समझ में नहीं आता कि कहाँ से शुरू किया जाए। आदेश और मैं एक दूसरे को अपना भाई समझते थे, वो मेरे छोटे भाई, और न जाने कब हम लोगों का रिश्ता बना और एक दूसरे के साथ रात बेरात हम लोग उनके स्टूडियो में बैठ करके, कोई ख़ास वजह नहीं होती थी, बस साथ में बैठ करके कुछ संगीत बनाना, कुछ धुनें बनानी, और ऐसे ही करते करते बहुत सी चीज़ें बन गई। आज अवितेश को आगे बढ़ते हुए देख करके मुझे बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है, और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा थी इनके साथ। आज एक आशीर्वाद के रूप में इन्होंने मुझे बनाया। हालांकि मुझे आशीर्वाद देने की हिम्मत नहीं है, क्योंकि इनका जो टैलेंट है वो कहीं ज़्यादा उत्तम है। मेरे बाबूजी ने एक कविता लिखी थी, बस मेरे बाबूजी ने एक पंक्तियाँ लिखी थी, वसीयतनामा जो होता है ना, जो विल होता है, जो लोग मरने के बाद लिख करके जाते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि उनको कुछ लोगों ने सलाह दी कि आप अपना, ये कविता का उसमें शीर्षक था कि आप अपना वसीयतनामा लिख दीजिए, आजकल कुछ पता नहीं होता बच्चे किस तरह से जाएं, क्या हो, तो आप अपना लिख करके दे दीजिए। तो उसमें एक पंक्ति जो थी वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई कि मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे। विजय जी, आप समझ रहे होंगे, मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे, जो मेरे उत्तराधिकारी होंगे वो मेरे बेटे होंगे।
क्या बात।
और इसका उदाहरण जो है ये अवितेश जी हैं, क्योंकि ये सही मानों में, क्योंकि ये आदेश के बेटे हैं, उत्तराधिकारी हैं, इसलिए ये उनके बेटे हैं। बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको अवितेश। और अब हम इनका किया हुआ,
जस्ट मोमेंट सर, इनफैक्ट इसीलिए कहते हैं कि ज़िंदगी तस्वीर भी है और तकदीर भी। मन चाहे रंग मिल जाए तो तस्वीर बन जाते हैं, और बच्चन सर का साथ मिल जाए तो तकदीर बन जाती है। सर,
do I have to press any button?
Yes. In fact, Avi, if you'd like to share something before we go ahead and do that.
First of all, आप सभी को मेरा हार्दिक प्रणाम, and I'd really like to thank everybody who's come here to support me. My godfather, Amit uncle is here. इनका आशीर्वाद लिए बगैर मेरे से ये कार्य कभी नहीं हो पाता। It's a very emotional moment, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा तो nervous हूँ एक तो, and I really wish that my father was here today with us, and बस अब अंकल का आशीर्वाद है, आप सबका blessing है। My mom's here. I would really like to thank Ideal and SM Entertainments and everybody associated to my project to give me blessings, but especially Amit uncle. आपके बिना yes यहाँ तक मैं कभी नहीं पहुँच पाता आपके आशीर्वाद के बिना uncle. Thank you uncle. So uncle would play the song now and just आप लोग बताएं.
Absolutely sir, but
I'd just like to thank the wonderful musicians and great musicians that have put their minds, hearts, and talent together to bring Avitesh to this stage. Without the cooperation of a wonderful team, nothing is possible in today's world, and I'm sure that your contribution will go a long way. What I said in Hindi, I'd like to repeat it again in English because some of you are Hindi challenged. So I said that मेरे बेटे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे. Just because you are my son, you will not become my inheritors. Those that will be my inheritors will be my son. And he is a true inheritor of his father's talent. Thank you very much. Right?
Absolutely, sir. We're waiting for your call. And then we can go off stage. Once you say action, हम off stage जाएंगे, blackout होगा और video play होगा.
पूरा बोलना है, lights, camera, action.
बिल्कुल सर, अपने अंदाज में.
Lights, camera, action.
Wow.
Adesh will be a very proud father looking at us from the heavens today. And his son has really lived up to his reputation. And I hope in the years to come, Avitesh, you will take his name even further. I'm pretty confident of that. I'm sure that all of you will appreciate the talent that Avitesh has just shown to all of us, not just in his singing. Incidentally, the one that he dedicated to his father with the portrait, that song has also been sung by Avitesh, just in case you were wondering what it was. And the words were also written by you. And this is a true love and affection that a son has shown to his father. It's a lovely moment, ladies and gentlemen. I really, as I said, I fall short of words because of the relationship that Adesh and me shared. And I hope that all of you will lend your support to this young man and make him even more popular than his very revered and loved father. Thank you.
Avi, finally the single is out. It's your moment of glory. You know, everybody, friends, family, the entire fraternity is here. Few words, something that you'd share.
I really like to thank everybody who's here. You know, आप सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मेरा काम देखा. बस आपका आशीर्वाद चाहता हूँ that I can make my mom proud, uncle proud and my father proud. And सब अपने भाइयों को proud करूँ. And take the country ahead and represent India in a global platform with Ideal and SM Entertainment. And take the music. The music has no boundaries, what I've learned. You know, we express through our talent and our melodies. That's how we communicate with the world. And that's how I've met Ideal SM. And my friends who have flown down specially from New York, Penthouse Studios, Dr. Jesse, raise your hands up. All right, let's go. So I'm really feel happy to be having great people in my life and to take India on a global platform through music and also represent some good songs and good work in India. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Wow.
my husband's friends. Today is a very special day for me because it's my son Avitesh's launch is being done. And I have to thank a lot of people for this, especially Amit Dada, Jo, he's always been with us in our good times, bad times. And I have no words to thank him. ये हमारे परिवार के सबसे बड़े सदस्य ही मैं मानती हूँ और मेरे हस्बैंड आदेश जी भी यही मानते थे. ये हमारे सबसे बड़े दादा हैं हमारी फैमिली के. I have no words to thank him, but I would like to thank few people who have been associated in this album and helped Avitesh for making this album. Our SM Entertainment from America and Idol Entertainment from Canada. I would like to thank Mr. Says, Mr. Michael, and this, what's her name? Tracy. And above all, I would like to thank Mr. Bala Venkatesh of Vankies and his son Jagdish, who has been his friend since his childhood. And I'm very much grateful to them for helping Avitesh to make this album. And thank you everybody for being here with us. It's a special day. I wish Adesh was there because Adesh hamesha chahte the, he wanted to see Avitesh on screen. And I'm sure if he's not there, his blessings are always with Avitesh. And he always wanted Avitesh to become an actor like Dada. And मैं दादा को कहूँगी आशीर्वाद दे कि ये बड़ा हीरो बने, आर्टिस्ट.
क्यों हमारे पेट पे लात मार रहे हो यार? बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो, वही कर रहे हो.